wrong hand. You just put your hand, all you do is put your hand down. Down. Wrong hand.
I'm good at those. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Oh!
I think...
Oh, my God.
I think you're dyslexic. You keep doing the wrong side.
What?
Yeah, and in the mirror you see the same, like... Oh, you got it perfect.
I don't understand why they do that one, though. Oh. Huh, said it was okay. Try it.
That's because you actually did it.
Oh, I didn't mean to do that one. That's my baby. Ooh. Yeah, we did it. Woo. Like that? Look at that little character, too. She's into it.
She is.
She's excited. She's
confused.
I missed that one, too, if you couldn't tell. Ah! See, those are the ones that don't fit, I'm telling you. Oh, that's not.
you just freeze.
Okay, well, I'm like trying, and it won't even let me try when I'm off. Perfect. Nailed it! Nailed it. We're done here.
Well, that was the last one.
You made me miss the last one.